What is going on, guys? Sir Lewis here, the YouTuber to invest to rest. And in today's video, we're going to be talking today about my top 3 cryptos and altcoins to be staking and earning on the Atomic Wallet. If you're going to hold some crypto, you might as well earn passively more of that crypto, right? You believe that it will grow, so why not earn more of it? So I'm here in the Atomic Wallet website, and as you guys can see, they have a good variety of cryptos to stake that they show here in the website. They even have a calculator here. And they have some here that are coming soon that are pretty exciting here. So I just opened up the Atomic Wallet app right here. So let me just show you guys here the staking. If you go right here to the staking, it shows you all the ones that they have at the moment. Okay, as you guys can see. So starting with the third one, in my opinion, the third one that I like to stake on this app is TRON. As you guys can see right here, TRON, TRX. I think they also hold BTT in this wallet. Let me just make sure right here. Yeah, you can also send your BTT here, which is under the TRON blockchain, I think. But right here, 5%. You get a 5% APY for TRON for staking it on the Atomic Wallet, which I think is a pretty good rate. So as you guys can see right here, every time you just go right here to claim, and then after you claim it, that reward, it gets added on to your total TRON, which is great because you're basically compounding, you know, that staked amount every single time that you basically claim it. You can claim it anytime you want. All you gotta do is, you guys can see, it says right here the amount that is being staked, and then it says the available amount. Now that's probably the added amount that you have from claiming it. So if you want to restake that, put that in the staking amount so you can compound more. All you gotta do is go right here to stake. All right, and then you just press stake all. So now right there, as you guys can see, it added more. It was at 826, now it's 827. So it's really good because you can compound more daily. Instead of just having your TRON or any crypto just idle, you can get more free crypto basically for staking it. Moving on to the second one, is one of my favorite ones, is Vechain. Vechain is definitely one of my favorite cryptos, and right here, as you guys can see, they provide Vechain staking. Now Exodus also does this, and the way Vechain staking works is basically you stake Vechain, which is VET, and then you get Vitor, and Vitor is basically like the gas token under the Vechain network, similar to like T-Fuel for Theta, which this app also provides. They still don't provide staking though, but basically you stake Theta or you stake Vechain, and then you get Vitor, which is the gas token for that blockchain. So right here, if you click on it, it actually tells you your daily reward that you get, which is pretty awesome. So you're able to know how much you're getting daily. So as you guys can see right here, based on the amount that I have of Vechain, all right, my daily reward is 0.39 Vitor, which is pretty good. And you hold Vechain to receive Vitor. It says right there, rewards are distributed as soon as a new block is added to the blockchain. I'm a big believer in Vechain. I think it's a great crypto and has a lot of growth potential, mainly because it has an amazing project. If you guys want to learn more about it, you can research more about Vechain. And you know, I believe in it and all that, so why not earn more, you know, of the Vitor? Because if Vechain is going to do good, then Vitor is going to do good as well. So that's number 2. And moving on to the last one here, in my opinion, the best one for this app is going to be Zilliqa. And Zilliqa is an amazing project. You can research more about it as well. They're going really good in the NFT space. And the reason why I picked this one is because they provide a very large APY, which is at 13% at the moment. They usually change it here and there. I think it was at a time where it was at 20%. But now it went to 13%, but it usually goes up and down. I think it's based on how many people stake it in this app. If there's a crazy amount of people coming in and staking it, then it's probably gonna go lower and lower. But at the moment, it's 13%. And if you click right here, as you guys can see, it shows your amount staked, it shows your amount available, and it also shows your available withdrawals, your rewards that you can claim, your total balance. And you can also unstake it, or you can stake more if you guys send more to this app. So at 13%, I don't think you can find that any other app out there that you can stake. So if you're a big believer in Zilliqa, definitely research more about it. But I really like Zilliqa. I think it's very underrated and has a lot of growth potential. So buying in low now at this low price and staking it at 13% is just an amazing deal. So definitely check that out. And also, guys, there's other good ones too. Those are my top 3 favorites, but they also have Cardano at 5%, which is pretty good. They have their own token, Atomic Wallet token, at 20%. So if you really believe in the Atomic Wallet growing and growing more in the future, they are staking at 20% right there. Those are just my 3 favorite ones that I like to stake here, but definitely check it out. I'll leave the Atomic Wallet link in the description below so you guys can go sign up. It's really free and easy to use. So thank you guys again. If you guys want to join a free crypto group, join my Facebook crypto group in the description below. I also have a Reddit and a Patreon. So thank you guys so much, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.